Hi, welcome to the vlog, and I am at the Kaiser Urgent Care parking lot. I just finished, so basically, is this TMI? Could be, but whatever. I found an abnormal amount of blood in my stool, so I called the nurse hotline. Kaiser has that, in case you guys have Kaiser and don't know. You can call up a nurse, tell them your symptoms, see what's going on, and then they'll ask you a series of questions, and they'll let you know whether or not you need to go to urgent care, ER, whatever. And the lady was like, well, you need to go to urgent care soon rather than later. So I came today and they ran a bunch of tests, and they basically gave me no definite answer. Surprise, surprise. The doctor couldn't determine if I actually had hemorrhoids, so I have to see a specialist, a gastrologist something, and then I had to take a bunch of blood tests to check and see if I'm anemic. And then my primary care doctor actually put in a food allergy test for me, so I did that too, just to, since I was already in the lab, might as well. And so now I'm just gonna sit and wait for the results for that, but that took up a huge chunk of my day. What's strange about this whole thing is that I don't feel sick at all. I have some discomfort in my bathroom usage area, but it's not painful or anything. That's why I wasn't too concerned. But now it's just time to get the day started. And also, can we just take a moment and talk about how advanced these wrap thingies are? What? I remember it just used to be a cotton, and then they used to just wrap tape around you, but this is so cool. It looks so much more gangster, I don't know what it's called, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, time to head on home. Back. Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. Smells like laundry. Huh? Smells like laundry. All the candles are so pretty right now. Ugh, ew. Ugh. It's gross.
Something for Nana's room because she's staying there.
Oh, espresso. Ooh. Smell? Smells like too much sugar.
Yeah. And again, wait.
Citrus white blossom.
It smells good.
Ow, this is so heavy.
It smells good. Ocean mist. It's a little bit too much.
No, you're fine. Welcome to, what day is it? Monday.
Monday? Oh my god, it's only Monday? I thought I got paid tomorrow.
Yeah, so we're making chicharrones.
They have a fake Terminator in that joint.
And I'm about to have because I'm an adult and I can make adult decisions like eating ice cream before dinner. So this is the Melona flavor honeydew melon. This is my favorite. I actually found this at Costco, and they had 3 flavors: coconut, mango, and honeydew. And
can I get a fucking plate with a paper? Unless you don't mind them greasy.
Pardon the interruption. So I found the ice cream at Costco, which is really surprising because usually I only find this stuff at the Asian store, but they stepping up their game. And it was 3 boxes for $11.
Jumping on me, jumping on me. Oh, I should have worn the long sleeve.
So dramatic. So now we are doing the pasta portion. We use the Kirkland basil pesto Costco brand. Very high quality. And then, what is this?
That is the best pesto.
Elbow macaroni. Yeah, actually it is pretty much the best one we've
had. And we buy expensive.
There's one specific brand that I really, really like, but I don't even know where you can buy it anymore. It is 6:30 in the morning, and I'm feeding my babies. And I'm trying to figure out what video to film because I don't know, I'm running out of ideas. And I'm awake now, and I don't have to leave my house until 8, so I feel like I should film a video. But I don't really have much time to like create a like well executed video. I only have time for like a sit down. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out what to do. I look kind of crazy. Maybe I should straighten my hair.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too.
I'm running so late. Gotta pack my lunch. Noodles. Bring some leftover corned beef. Can't forget pandesal. Come on, man. Seriously? I think I'm gonna keep this in the fridge now. I keep bread in the fridge to keep it lasting a little bit longer. I'm gonna bring this flan to work. Time to go. Okay. Actually, I still have a decent amount of time to get to work on time, but I just want enough time to heat up my breakfast to eat at my desk. Because, you know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So I just try to get out of here as soon as possible. Whoa! Yeah, yeah, gonna so I can have breakfast. So let's get on the road, my friends. Do you guys see all this traffic? If I had just left my house at like 8:04 instead of 8:10, I would have avoided all this shit. It's crazy. Crazy what those 6 minutes can do to your life. Ollie Polly. Hi, pretty girl. Are you okay? Oh, you're shaved. That's so funny.
And she has that medicine there too. That's why we have.
Oh, she's turning her head.
She's in the way. It's like Handmaid's Tale.
Ollie, can I see you? Oh,
She's bumping into everything.
really?
Yeah, because she can't see. That's why she can't even get up.
Poor baby.
She'll be okay. She'll be okay. Can I just touch her? You'll be fine, baby. You'll be okay. Yeah.
You don't have an ear.
You'll get used to it because the hair is gonna grow.
Yeah, I know.
This baby. Oops. I don't want to touch her. She wants me to pet her. That's why. How are we gonna sleep? Huh?
That's a pretty small cone, actually.
Do you think
I
that's
feel like that's the
small?
smallest it can get. Her eye is so like
Yeah, they said that it's normal.